This year, I'm reprising my Halloween role as a wizard, but this time I want the ultimate wizard staff. I found some rechargeable string fairy lights that I've embedded into a stick. I have lights wrapped around the stick as well as jumbled in the top portion to light the main crystals. This is the first time I've worked with leather and it was really fun. Using an epoxy clay, I've made gnarled pockets around the stick to help surround moss over the lights. I then painted it black and ran through layer after layer to get what I wanted. Using preserved mosses, I've made it more interesting, only I needed to paint them too in order to tone down their brightness. Another layer of clay to make things more cohesive. Using a toothbrush, I splattered the stick with paint to make it look more aged. When removing protective tape from the leather, the pattern left was a happy accident. You can barely see where you plug it in to charge. Added a rubber stopper to make it safer and more fun. So this is my big piece for Halloween. Now if I can get the rest of my costume to be more like Radagast from The Hobbit, I think I'll win Halloween. Maybe next year, bird poop and all.